THERMAX is an engineering powerhouse, providing sustainable solutions in energy and environment. The company's vision for the future is firmly anchored in the belief that to stay competitive, companies need to adopt sustainable development practices. THERMAX's business portfolio comprises integrated and innovative solutions in heating, cooling, power, water and waste management, air pollution control, and specialty chemicals. Today, THERMAX solutions are helping a spectrum of industries across the globe boost resource productivity, improve bottom lines, and maintain a cleaner environment. THERMAX ONSITE Energy Solutions Limited, TOESL, is a wholly owned subsidiary of THERMAX Limited. It was set up in 2009 when increasingly stringent environmental laws, more and more intricate technology needing fully trained personnel, and irregular supply as well as inconsistent quality of green fuels was making utility management across industries forbiddingly complex, increasingly expensive, and very time-consuming. Against this gloomy backdrop, TOESL came as the silver lining. Set up to address the growing market need for professional, outsourced utility management services, TOESL leverages a unique business model where the customers are spared the capital expenditure of owning utilities and the attendant burden of running them. Instead, we enable them to focus more on their core manufacturing processes, while TOESL invests in and manages all the utility equipment, undertakes comprehensive operation and maintenance, including biomass fuel supply and solid waste management, and ensures uninterrupted supply of utility. The customer only pays for the metered quantity of utility consumed. Also, utilities set up by THERMAX on-site leverage green fuels, waste heat, etc. The result: reduced carbon footprint and optimized energy costs. Taking the customer into confidence, TOESL handles everything. The objective: to provide uninterrupted utilities to customer. What the customer gets on tap is steam, process heat, chilled water, treated and recycled water, and cogeneration and combined heat and power. So how does TOESL offer reliable solutions in steam and heating? We select the boiler technology best suited to specific customer requirement, as well as site location and types of biomass available in the area. We install and commission the unit to be run by our team of experts and operators on site. All boiler operations and allied systems are monitored and controlled with PLC and SCADA, which facilitate MIS generation on daily and weekly basis. TOESL's facility manager supervises boiler operations as per detailed operation and maintenance SOPs, which, once installed, are strictly followed to ensure uninterrupted supply of steam to the customer. These SOPs cover all activities at site. Daily reports of process heat or steam consumed and related parameters are shared with the customer and referred for steam billing. TOESL's efficiency in fuel sourcing is based on its experience of handling about 500 tons of biomass every day on a pan-India basis. And to ensure quality, every fuel load that enters the utility undergoes sampling and lab tests. Outsourced utility solutions from TOESL also come with the assurance of minimum boiler stoppages. This is ensured by a combination of 4 factors working in tandem: experienced and well-trained manpower, leveraging the best available technology and automation, efficient spares, chemical and consumable management, and inbuilt redundancies in the system to eliminate downtime. TOESL's guarantee of performance comes from its commitment to high operating efficiency at all its sites, and an assurance of the quality and quantity of utilities that customers can bank on. TOESL adheres to every THERMAX safety guideline based on 5 decades of experience in India and around the world, as well as customer safety norms. In addition, all sites are OSA certified. For added customer convenience, we also provide online data collection and monitoring mechanisms. TOESL reduces the burden on the customer in another critical area by assuming complete responsibility for IBR compliance and meeting PCB norm. Ash disposal as per environmental guideline is another important function taken care of by TOESL. Fuel being the most critical input, TOESL is setting up a network of captive biomass briquetting units across India as a strategic backward integration initiative. At the 2 units already in operation in Maharashtra and Karnataka, seasonally available agro-waste are used in specific proportions based on their characteristics to produce biomass fuels at competitive prices. These plants ensure an uninterrupted supply of consistently high-quality biomass fuel through the life cycle of boiler systems installed at TOESL customer sites. TOESL can also strategically invest in captive biomass briquetting facilities for customers if required. TOESL offers similar solutions in the areas of water and waste management and cogeneration. These solutions cover water treatment, wastewater treatment, effluent recycling, zero liquid discharge solutions, vapor absorption chillers, as well as cogeneration and combined heat and power solutions. By successfully leveraging THERMAX's in-house domain expertise and experience in energy and environment engineering garnered over 50 years, we are setting industry benchmarks in utility performance. TOESL's outsourced utility solutions come tried and tested in a spectrum of industries, comprising blue-chip names in the textile, chemical, paint, food, pharma, dairy and tobacco sectors. Solutions that are backed by the THERMAX guarantee of performance and driven by more than 5 decades of pioneering experience as an energy environment major across the globe. Today, we are the natural choice of outsourced green-centric utility solutions that make economic sense. Solutions that are also doing their bit in the fight against climate change by helping customers reduce their carbon footprint. We are TOESL, partnering customers through product life cycles to ensure sustainable growth.